Elise Schaefer, editor of Feed and Grain magazine, here in Omaha, Nebraska for GEAPS Exchange 2014. I'm here today with John Tuttle, District Sales Manager for Brock Grain Systems.
Good morning, Elise. How are you today?
Doing well. How are you, John?
I'm very good. Happy to be here at GEAPS and be a 30-year exhibitor for GEAPS this year.
Great. Can you tell me a little bit about what Brock does for the grain industry?
You bet. Brock Grain Systems, based in Milford, Indiana, is a manufacturer, designer, and marketer of equipment for the grain industry, storage, drying, handling, and structural equipment. We go to market through a dealer organization domestically in the United States, but we also provide product all around the world.
John, I see you have your Everest E-Series grain bin here on display. Can you tell me a little bit more about it?
Yes, we do, and we're happy to be able to introduce it here at GEAPS this year. This is a product that we've had in design or under design for the past couple of years. And even though we released some of the product to the market in 2013, we've now got it completed and we have new features and benefits to talk about on this specific product. When we set forth to design Everest, we wanted to accomplish some things for the marketplace. Number one, we wanted to be able to put more equipment weight on the peak of the bin, so we needed to increase the strength of the roof. We accomplished that. We wanted to be able to make the bins bigger, go taller, and put more bushels in the same footprint. We've been able to accomplish that. And then also, anytime we do a redesign, we look to enhance safety features on the bin. We've also been able to accomplish that.
Can you go over some specific differences with the Everest bin?
You bet. So with the Everest, let's start on the top at the roof where we can allow more peak load on the roof. We've really increased the strength of the structure of the roof, and this is a substructure that goes under the roof skin. We've done that by increasing the size and the strength of the compression ring, the design of the rafters, purlins, and all the attachment points of those components. And then also in the top, we now offer a system where you can mount a structural component on top of the roof while you're constructing the bin, and that will go up with the construction of the bin so that when the bin is constructed and in place, it's easy to bring your equipment over to the top of the bin. This is a much better design, and with the higher peak loads that we're now allowing on the bins, it's really important that we transfer those loads properly into the roof structure.
And can you expand a bit on the safety enhancements?
You bet. So on the safety enhancements now on all of our Everest bins, we offer a 2-ring door as standard. So we have a nice walk-in door for easy entry. That's a big feature on the bin. And then in addition to that, we've improved our ladder packages specifically up on the roof of the bin. And we've moved the eave platform all the way to the eave line of the bin for easy transition from the ladder up to the roof handrail or the roof stairway. We now also include a manhole surround system completely around the manhole of the bin at the roof. So anytime you're on the roof or entering or exiting the bin, you're inside a safety handrail system. In addition to that, we've added a self-closing safety gate. So once you transition from the ladder onto the eave platform, the gate will close behind you automatically to prevent accidentally stepping off the platform into the ladder again.
Oh, that sounds like an excellent idea.
Yes, it really is. It's a nice safety feature. Also with the Everest, we can go much taller now. So we have sidewall heights up over 108 feet in height. And what that relates to is more capacity in the same diameter. So in our 105-foot diameter bin, which is popular in the marketplace now, we can push up close to 850,000 bushels of storage in a single 105-foot diameter bin.
Can you tell me when will this be available on the marketplace?
Good question. So we've wrapped this up on our narrow corrugation product line that we're referring to Everest. It's available now. And we made a major press release on this on January 30th to the marketplace. So the market should be aware of this, and you'll see us promoting all the features and benefits of this product going forward.
And what has the reaction been?
The reaction's been very good. We're designing this to meet the requests and the needs in the marketplace. Trendline yields continue to increase. We're going to handle more and more bushels as time goes forward. And with more and more bushels, we need bigger equipment. Bigger equipment means more weight. And so, all of the features that we've incorporated into this bin help commercial operators today manage their operations better.
John, how are bins being used differently today in the grain industry?
They are being used differently because of the throughput or the volume that we put through the bins, and that's another advantage of the Everest design. We made a significant investment in tooling so that we could manufacture heavier gauge body sheets. And the combination of the heavier gauge body sheets and the connection methods that we're using now allow us to offer more flexibility to the end customer in how they use the bin. And what we're talking about here is the fill rate in terms of bushels per hour going in, the discharge rate, bushels per hour going out, how many times a year they want to turn the inventory in that bin. This is a much more rugged bin, it's much more durable, and it's much more flexible for the end user.
Well, John, thank you for telling us about the Everest bin and Brock Grain Systems.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. Really looking forward to having a great GEAPS this year.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is Elise Schaefer, editor of Feed and Grain magazine, here at GEAPS Exchange 2014.